I always have a passion to study and work in cybersecurity side. I had an opportunity to study in fee-free TAFE course in CIT. After I diagnosed with breast cancer, my life derailed. The impact on my family was devastating. At the time, Parenting Pathway came into my life. They helped to empower me go back to my studies and help my family get a better future. I came back to study in 2025. I was struggling a lot with my health issues, but my teachers were amazing. They are very approachable. My favorite highlight in CIT is we talk a lot about real life cyber events that happen in the world, discuss how to deal with the scenario if we are in the position. So it gives us real-time experience. CIT is also providing disability support service. It is an incredibly helpful program. They adjust to my health issues and also help me to focus on my studies and give extra time. Your current situation is not going to judge your future. Look for good government programs and communities and ask them for help. Stay strong, work smart, and don't lose your hope.